Okay, kids, now listen up. This here is John, and it's his first day working here, so be real nice and calm. But there's one thing you all need to know, and that is do not press this big red button. Now, do you got this, John?
Yes, Mr. Curator, sir.
Well, okay, I'm gonna go now.
Okay, now, first of all, welcome to the National Museum
Press it.
Sorry? I thought I heard someone say something.
Press the button!
We're not supposed to press the button. You heard the curator.
Just press the button, John.
Excuse me?
Press
No.
the
No.
button. Okay, fine.
Oh, nothing happened.
Hey, John, just wanted to make sure that you were all sweet cheese and crackers. What did you do?